I would now like to welcome a corporate geek with 14 plus years of experience in the service industry, worked with largest IT and ITES conglomerates in the world, and now heading the entire Pan-India Revenue Center for one of the leading e-commerce banks in India. A certified Six Sigma Black Belt from PMI, an advanced RPA professional from Automation Anywhere and UiPath, CMMI, ISO implementer, and practitioner. On the other hand, the first ever Hindi radio jockey, appointed in 93.5 Red FM, Hyderabad, back in 10 years. Presently pursuing his passion by hosting a free online talk show named Glip Talk with common souls, putting their journey on a canvas, an interview of a great mind and a known face. He is none other than Mr. Samrat Ghosh, who will be hosting our next activity. Over to you, Samrat.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure, Peter. Thank you. I know you have been asking for my introduction since last night, and I was trying my level best to avoid it. But trust me, Peterson being Peterson, he just did not let me leave. Right till the afternoon, he was after my life to just give that introduction. So whatever it could came to my mind, I've just shared it. But thank you for the first time somebody has even talked about me. I normally talk about people. But somebody has even talked about me. सुन के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था.
Great feeling.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be a part of HR Association of India. Thank you, Peterson. Thank you, Nehali. Thank you, Shyam and Nana. It's a pleasure to be with all of you. I'm going to be a quick for the afternoon, and I need all your participation. Okay, it's going to be a mix and match of everything. This is going to be serious. Certain answers I also do not even know, and if you know those answers, and if you are really creative enough, the point वो आपको मिलेंगे. कुछ आपको chat करना है, कुछ आपको बताने हैं. Lot of people there seeing on the video. Good to see that. I would appreciate all of you can please go ahead and switch on your video. अच्छा लगे. It becomes really interactive, right? So I don't have much time. I have 15 minutes. That is going to this master कभी बना नहीं था. I've been a talk show host. I've been a radio jockey, but मैंने कभी कोई इस तरीके से लिया नहीं है. But ये लेते हैं, देखते हैं whether I succeed or I fail. Ankita, don't kill me if I don't ask certain good questions. Okay, so as I said, the questions are going to be a mix and match of Bollywood, mix and match of Ulta Chashma, mix and match of film characters. Certain questions you probably know, आपको भी पता है, but it is on first come first basis. अगर आपने पहले वो आंसर दे दिया, चाहे वो अपने आप या फिर आप चैट बॉक्स में वो आंसर दे दिया है, then the point would go to you. And Peter, I think Nehali, who's Nehali, 4, right? So every question you have 1 point. Okay? जो पहले आंसर दिया, 1 point मिलेगा. And there are some questions. It took me some time, and I had to bring forward those questions in front of you.
Sure.
Very first questions, brace yourself, and you got to be fast enough. It's not going to be a fast part, but it is going to be really quick. Let's see who gives the very first answer.
But your voice is cracking. It's not very clear. I think there are two. It looks like there are two systems close by.
Yeah.
Or something maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it better? Am I
much better now?
Yeah.
There's an echo
maybe
at the
all
back.
of us can be on mute. There's an echo.
Yeah, echo going on. Correct.
I think if
I'll just place everybody on mute, and
Yeah.
Samrat, maybe you can unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, do that.
Okay. Yeah, Samrat, you can try unmuting yourself.
okay, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to hear it very carefully, okay? The question, and you're going to hear this particular word. The word that I'm going to say is English in the English world, is the largest word in the entire world. One of the largest, rather. So मैं आपको वो शब्द बोलूंगा in one shot, and then I'll ask you the question. So hear me out very carefully. So raise your hand if you're ready. Okay. Pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanocoinosis. I repeat that question again. Not the question, the word. Pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanocoinosis or silicovolcanoconiosis. Pneumono ultra volcanic silicovolcanoconiosis. Now, you heard the word. You have to tell me how many letters are in this word. This is, आप Google कर सकते हो, आप पता चल जाएगा अगर इसको पता नहीं है. It's a tough question to start with because Vinay का जो ice breaking session.
Out of syllabus है
Out of
ये.
syllabus नहीं. Take a guess. Take a guess. Let's see who gives the first answer.
हम तो वैसे ही स्पेल चेक पे जीते, आप उस पे स्पेलिंग पूरा कितना है करके बोल रहे हो, क्या है यार?
Absolutely, DGP Tushar, fantastic. 45 letters. ये एक किसने लिखा? ढोकला. अरे, one word, yes. This is one word, Dhokla ji. Sorry, Khushbu. Your first name came as Dhokla, so Khushbu is one word, yes. But DGP Tushar, please unmute yourself. The very first point goes to you. Nihali has taken the note of the point and you have gotten the very first point. Now you get a bonus point if you can pronounce the word the way I pronounced it.
So yeah, so first of all, I saw this in a spell bee. There's a boy called Akash who did a spell bee competition where he said this word, but it is very, very, very difficult for me to say that. So I'll give that to you only.
It is very easy if you actually learn it.
Can you just do it for me once? I'll repeat that.
Again, pneumono ultra microscopic silico volcanocoinosis.
I lost it at pneumono.
So you have try कर सकते हो अपने लोगों के साथ भी if you really want to really surprise them. So pneumono microscopic. Yeah, let's break it. Pneumono microscopic silico volcano coniosis. So pneumono ultramicroscopic silico volcanoconiosis.
Great, I got it till pneumono ultra now. I learned.
Okay, the very first one go to PGP Tushar. Tushar, thank you so very much.
Thank you.
You answered it well. So यहाँ पे कोई लिख रहा है Pradeep mono something. No mono नहीं है. You pneumono है. Pneumono is pneumonia, the way it is spelled, PNEU. So that's how it's spelled. You can check it out on Google. Now, सबने धवान movie देखी है? The great Arshad Warsi, the great Mama would be so proud of you, Adi. है? सबने देखा है? उसमें जो कैरेक्टर है मिस्टर वेणुगोपाल अय्यर, right? The longest name probably in the Indian film cinema or the history of India that has happened. कोई बता सकता है वो पूरा नाम बिना गूगल में चेक करे? चलो मैं बताता हूं, आपको बताता हूं और आपको उसमें से जो सवाल आएगा उसका जवाब देना पड़ेगा. तो अगर आपने ये पूरा नाम बता दिया, then you get a bonus 5 points. तो ध्यान से सुनिएगा. If you still can, please go ahead and raise your hand. We can unmute you. You can say that in one shot. Venugopal.
I have it all on Google, so I can see and say.
You can see it and say, but you have to say it in the right way.
Go for it, Devlina, go for it.
I can try.
Try.
Prabhakarna Shripala Vardhana, Atapattu Jayasurya Lakshman, Shivarama Krishna, Shiva Venkata, Rajshekhara, Srinivasana, Tiruchilapalli, Yakya Parampil, Parambatur, Chinnaswamy, Muthuswamy, Venugopala.
Okay. Very nice.
Good
try, but that's not the right name.
It has to be, okay, I'll try and attempt. Venugopala, Muthuswamy Venugopala, Chinnaswamy Muthuswamy Venugopala, Parambatur Chinnaswamy Muthuswamy Venugopala, Yanke Parampil, Parambutru Chinnaswamy Muthuswamy Venugopala, blah, blah, blah. That's how we started.
Okay.
Okay, even if you guys have gotten it, very, very good job in terms of at least trying. Devlina and Vinay, at least you tried. Great work. But I'll tell you the actual name. Google has actually confused a lot of people, but if you see the movie, right till the end, जब अरशद वारसी उनको मारने पे उतर में आती है, इतना लंबा.
It's just his pet name, right?
It is just my pet name, sir. क्योंकि वो पीछे से पूछता है ना कि तो फिर आपका पूरा नाम क्या है? So then he gets kicked off and the name is Shripur Marvara Attapattu Jayasurya, Natavara Sri Ramakrishna, Sri Venkata, Rajashekharas, Srinivasana Tiruchipalli, Yaraka Perambadur, Chinnaswamy Muthuswamy Venugopal Iyer.
Right play.
So that's the actual name. If you see the movie, you'll actually get to see the name. So I think 1 point each, Nihali, 1 to Vinay and for Deblina, at least for trying this. But if you could say that in one shot, the way I said, Sri Por Marvara, Attapattu Jayasuriya, Natvar, Sri Ramakrishna, Sri Venkata, Jayasuriya. Srinivasana Trichipalli, Sri Yakke Perambadur, Chinnaswamy Muthuswamy Venugopal Iyer, you get a bonus 5 points. You want to try? Deblina, Vinay?
No.
Okay. Now these are the two first questions. कुछ लोग मुझे ऐसे देख रहे हैं कि I am like a zombie. अभी वर्चुअल सेशन में मौका मिलता ना निकल के अभी गोली मार देता तू आया कहाँ से? गला दबा दूं मैं तेरा मैं कितना कुछ जनरल नॉलेज पढ़ के आया था ये सी परमबदूर ये सब सिखा रहे हो पर चलो ठीक है थोड़ा बॉलीवुड में रहते हैं फिलहाल के लिए बैक टू स्कूल बचपन में हम सब ने फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स किया है राइट तो अभी जो ये राउंड है दिस राउंड इज ऑल अबाउट क्या क्यों कैसे कहाँ क्यों का सो की एंड का जो मूवी निकली थी ये फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स होगा क्यों किया का क्यों का तो आई विल राइट द नेम्स ऑफ द मूवी यू हैव टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक ठीक है तो हियर द वेरी फर्स्ट वन कम्स The first two are the first two dashes. You have to fill the name of the movie. ये तूने क्या किया करके कोई मूवी नहीं है किसने बोला साहिल आई मीन सीरियसली वेयर डिड यू गेट दिस ये तूने क्या किया प्यार तूने क्या किया पिंकी एब्सोल्युटली राइट congratulations Pinky you get the very first point now the next one comes
Samrat
yes
Pinky or Dhokla because I see Dhokla replying that first प्यार तूने in the chat
हाँ Dhokla and Pinky एक एक point चलो
okay दोनों पे alright
क्या नाम हो गया Dhokla please नाम हटाओ यार खुशबू everyone is calling you Dhokla
Hello, that's a pet
It's
name.
okay, that's
We
okay.
All only have to call.
दिल क्या
Yes, pet name day.
दिल क्या करे
It's the very first point. दिल क्या करे? Not bad, not bad. Okay. अच्छा, अब ये आ रहा है.
प्यार तूने क्यों किया?
प्यार
विनय.
मैंने प्यार क्यों किया? Yes. Battu gets it. मैंने प्यार क्यों किया?
क्यों किया
Battu gets it. Nihali, Battu gets the point. Okay.
बस कर लिया
लंबू सर कह रहे हैं बस कर लिया गुड वन
इसके बाद और एक छोटा तेरे 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 सनम आपकी मूवी का डायरेक्टर लग रहे हो प्रोड्यूसर भी आप ही हो हीरो भी आप ही हो हम तुम्हारे हैं सनम प्रीतो ओ प्रीतो जी बहुत बढ़िया बात है जी प्रीतो जी प्यार में है मतलब शाहरुख खान किधर है प्रीतो कहाँ है प्रीतो का वीडियो कहाँ है
सनम तेरी कसम
सनम तेरी कसम नहीं हम तुम्हारे हैं सनम
है सनम ओ राइट
हाँ वो पिंकी ने किया है ना
हम तुम्हारे हैं
फर्स्ट पिंकी आंसर फर्स्ट
पिंकी आंसर
पिंकी एंड प्रीति.
लंबो का आंसर देखो
हाँ पिंकी
वंडरफुल
आज एक नई मूवी की लिस्ट मिलने वाली है
वेरी ट्रू
अच्छा ये चलो ये लास्ट है
क्या
दिल क्या करे
तो हो गया वो नहीं सॉरी माय बैड माय बैड माय बैड
हम क्या करें मूवी है हिरन
बनाया अभी
वन वर्ड हम क्या करें हिरल वाह वाह वाह। क्या कहना कहाँ से आ रहा है आई मीन पहले भी एक डैश है देखो फिल इन द ब्लैंक
माय बैड बोला ना इसलिए बोल रहे हैं चलो चलो इज दैट द वर्ड
क्या क्या कहना
नहीं
डैश क्या डैश राइट
यस
तो दिल क्या करे वो हो गया, एक और है।
हाँ,
अच्छा,
you can club it. I mean, there's one 2-letter word. You can just club it in one word.
क्या कहना?
नहीं, क्या करो?
पहले एक डैश है।
आगे
पहले
ये क्या कहना, वो क्या कहना।
वंडरफुल,
सब क्या कहे,
सब जोड़ दो।
सब जोड़।
So people are giving
अब
it seriously. This is famous movies in 1990s.
देखो क्या करे,
अब क्या करें?
अब क्या करे।
अब क्या करें?
अरे give some hints,
क्या
no?
कहते?
Actor, director.
हाँ,
कुछ hint.
या विनय सर पूछिए।
दिल क्या करे?
First letter. अब क्या होगा? Seriously. ये साहिल अन्ना मुंबई में बैठे बैठे अपना मूवी खुद ही मतलब नेक्स्ट।
ओह,
I said there are one chotu word which is 2-letter word. You can club it with the first one. I deliberately did not want to put second dash ताकि आप confused ना हो जाओ। बहुत फेमस सॉन्ग है इसका, बहुत फेमस मूवी हुआ था उस टाइम पे।
गा के सुनाओ फेमस सॉन्ग।
Song तो हाँ exactly.
तो ये
गा के सुनाओ।
title track of the movie is the name of the movie. The title track, the hint is the title track of the song.
जजमेंटल है क्या?
नहीं तो क्या बीच में है ना।
क्या
क्या
तो
कहना?
क्या बीच में है वो तो बताओ।
क्या कहेंगे।
लोग क्या कहेंगे? लोगों का काम है कहना।
कमल जी चरण कहाँ है आपके?
प्यार किया तूने।
ये तो आपने
मैं क्या किया? पीटर।
Now like okay, this is the last question. Let me just guess.
Go for it, go for it.
Go for it, Peter. ना पीटर को मैं बोल रही हूँ, कुछ भी लिख रहा है।
क्या पीटर ने लिख दिया?
नहीं क्या किया?
ये
I don't think
तूने किया ना।
वो तुमको पूछ रहा है, सम्राट की तूने क्या किया?
अच्छा, this is called the fill in the blanket. दिल का क्या कसूर? And there's this now.
ओह, दिल का क्या कसूर?
दिल का is ये दो अलग words नहीं है?
दिल का दो अलग वर्ड।
गलत है।
हाँ, एक बोला आपने ना?
Wrong.
Cheating, disqualified. Samrat is disqualified.
Everybody gets 5 points bonus. Everybody.
-5 to Samrat. -5 to Samrat.
ठीक है, that was the last question. I give you. अभी जबरदस्ती क्या हो रहा है? मतलब this is not fair, यार. Quiz master, you can't धंको fight like this.
यहाँ पे वैसे होता है।
ऐसे ही होता है, बी फॉर बबलू, ऐसा होता है।
ऐसा रहा है।
सम्राट सबको एक पॉइंट्स मिले हैं, अभी एक क्वेश्चन तो तुम्हें और करना पड़ेगा।
चलो, सबको एक पॉइंट मिला है, ठीक है। Now the next question, it is going to be a transliteration round. I will.
क्या repeat क्या बोला? ये कहाँ से लेके आए उसको यार? ये पहले बोलता है 45 अल्फाबेट वर्ड बोलो,
Okay.
बोलता है प्रोनाउंस करो।
दिवाली सेलिब्रेशन है या साइंस क्विज, मुझे कभी कंफ्यूजन है ये।
Okay, this is a transliteration round. This movie would be given to you, the Bollywood movies. You have to translate them in English. ठीक है? तो पहला मूवी, इसका टिपिकल ट्रांसलिट्रेशन, मतलब आप वर्ड टू वर्ड ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हो। जिसका ट्रांसलिट्रेशन अच्छा होगा, पॉइंट उनको मिलेगा। तो पहला मूवी, बाप नंबर।
एक एग्जांपल।
इस मूवी का इंग्लिश क्या होगा?
क्या?
आवाज नहीं है।
कौन सा?
या बाप नंबरी बेटा 10 नंबर।
Father 1, son 10.
Who wants to go first? बाप नंबरी बेटा 10 नंबर। पापा नंबरी 10 नंबर son 10. Maths problem.
I will give it to Dhokla. Maths problem. Other is
Dad, number 10 is for son. Son's number is 10 times 10 times.
Oh God.
Answer, I think Dhokla should get this. Yes, I agree with Lambu, Sahil. Nahi, Dhokla gave the very good answer. Baap numberi, beta 10 numberi ka. Guys, come on, you are losing points. You have to participate. These are easiest. Okay, आपको जो एक फेमस और क्रीपी आंसर देना है, और जैसे विनय ने कहा है कि 18+ शो है ना, तो थिंक थ्रू, उस हिसाब से जवाब दो। दूसरा movie, the second movie is coming in your way, which you have to translate in English. मटरू की बिजली का मंडोला.
मट्टू की बिजली का मंडोला.
मटरू की बिजली का मंडोला.
Right translation. I can see that. What the hell? Matru's electricity is Mandola.
Matru's electricity is heavy. Matru's electricity mandola. Acha. Being a quiz master, I think, do you want to, is anyone else trying? There's one more that is coming in your way. The last one in this particular segment.
You're telling a winner kaun tha?
Nelson Mandela winner.
This is the best English translation I can think of.
Nelson Mandela.
Matru's electricity is mandola. Then father is a number, son is 10 number. Dhikla 2 got maths problem. Father 1, son 10 number, papa number ही ये तो मतलब अलग ही है. Yeah, I think this one again goes to no. I think the best answer that I really like, who was very very generous, Komal. I think without even understanding what is the movie is all about, Matru ki bijli ka mandola, she said Matru's electricity is heavy. Is the funniest answer Komal has given. Komal should get this particular point.
And the first one?
The first one, 1 point. Komal has already gotten it. There is no right or wrong answer. Your answer has to actually make everyone laugh, right? And the creepiest answer, like Vinay has said Nelson Mandela. Sahib was about to say WTF. You understand, right? This one in this particular segment, which is fill in the blanks, I can see Vani is getting absolutely frustrated. She's saying, "You ho kya raha hai?" Thankfully, Vani is smiling. Last one is Love Shab Te Chicken Khurana. Love Shab Te Chicken Khurana ka English क्या है? Being vegetarian. Love shoves
Curry.
curry.
Love chicken. Love shop with chicken curry.
Love shove with chicken curry. Okay, try. Love shove with chicken curry. Vote. So I think love shoves kukudu Khurana.
Non-veg on Diwali.
What is the chicken curry? I can still live without it. Shanu, Shanti Priya, you get this 1 point of the answer that you've given. Shanti Priya gets this particular 1 point. Okay. Now, now the rapid fire round where you have to quickly answer these questions. आपके पास जो है उसका इस्तेमाल आप नहीं करते हो, पूरी दुनिया सबसे ज्यादा उसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं. गलत सेंस में.
Your name.
Your name.
Gets it.
Who said that?
Khushbu.
Dhokla.
Good.
Dokla Khushbu.
Okay. So Dokla gets another point. Khushbu, and I forgot her name only first of all. There are 2 fathers, there are 2 sons in a car, but the car only has 3 people. How is that possible?
One is grandfather, father, and his son.
जग की पढ़ाई कर रहे थे क्या?
कौन था?
Dokla.
Dhokla? No.
Yep.
Okay.
Dokla.
Not bad. Come on, guys. We need answers.
सम्राट question paper leak किया?
नहीं.
नहीं.
Just kidding.
Okay. Next question, quickly. The word that starts with T, ends with T, and it has T in it. What is the word called?
Teapot.
Tata.
Teapot.
Tata.
Tata? किसने
Tenant.
बताया? The word does not end with
Teapot.
No, it doesn't have.
Dokla. Komal,
Tata.
who said this answer? Teapot.
Khushbu again.
Again,
Khushbu
Dokla.
again.
This is a question paper leak, I'm sure.
Sure.
Not leaked, huh? I mean, how?
Ankita ma'am has to see this nicely.
नहीं.
Kidding, guys, kidding.
You're answering. That's fine. Okay.
just joking.
Coming back to Bollywood again. सबने देखा है दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे में शाहरुख खान का नाम था राज मल्होत्रा और काजोल का
सिमरन
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 सिमरन के बाप के नाम और काजोल के शाहरुख खान के बाप के नाम बताओ, मूवी में क्या था?
उसके बाप के अमरीश पुरी
नहीं कैरेक्टर नेम कैरेक्टर नेम
क्या नाम बताओ?
बाप पे
बाऊजी नाम था, बाऊजी।
धर्मवीर मल्होत्रा।
धर्मवीर मल्होत्रा।
राइट
गूगलिंग
Who said that?
पोला
DGP said this. Dharamveer Malhotra was Anupam Kher's name.
DGP, you will get only the full point if you say both the names correct.
Okay, okay.
अभी गूगल चल रहा है सबका। बताओ guys, इसे easy है। धर्मवीर मल्होत्रा is the name of
बलदेव अमरीश पुरी
Anupam Kher. Baldev Singh and Dharamveer Khurana.
Baldev Singh is still not right. It's partially right.
Chaudhary Baldev Singh.
हाँ चौधरी बलदेव
Baldev Singh.
Oh,
DGP gets 1 point and Sahil आधा point. Nihali. Okay. The next question. Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma. Since it's based out of Gujarat, I thought I will have some questions pertaining to all the Gujarati soaps and the daily serials that you get.
But Dhokla is already leading.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
And she's
Hey,
already
this is a
from Gujarat.
bias. This is a
Great.
Dhokla bias.
There is some setting.
Okay. जेठालाल गड़ा उनके पापा का नाम क्या है?
चंपकलाल गड़ा।
चंपकलाल गड़ा
चंपकलाल गड़ा।
Everybody 2 points.
Everyone.
Thank you.
I can give his grandfather's name if you want for a point. Jayantilal Gada.
Oh, very good.
जयंतीलाल गड़ा
Tushar gets the point.
Thank you.
Who gets the point? DGP.
Lal Gada. Right. Okay, now this last 2 questions situational basis. आप लोग सब HR वाले हो, HR fraternity so हो. You guys have more HR knowledge, more power in terms of your own territory. Now you have to. सबने मिर्जापुर देखा है, right?
Yep.
मिर्जापुर में एक बहुत famous dialogue है. यहाँ पे वो लाला कहता है कि जब कोई
Common question मिला इसको।
जब कोई छोड़ के जाता है उसको उतना दुख नहीं होता है, जो पीछे रह जाता है उसको सबसे ज्यादा दुख होता है. In the corporate lingo, how would you manage to place this particular thing from an HR perspective?
जब कोई एम्प्लॉय छोड़ के जाता है तो हमें ज्यादा दुख होता है क्योंकि हमें उसकी पोजीशन फिल करनी पड़ती है.
Attrition, that is what.
No, but little more think of. You're very true. You're very.
एक बार और बोलिए.
Hello.
You get half.
Yes, actually we can relate it with the appraisal. मतलब जो आगे चला जाता है वो मतलब he will get happy, but जिनको appraisal कम मिलता है he will get demotivated, like वो पीछे रह जाता है.
Correct. Maitri, I think that's a very right answer, but the right way of answering is कि your chai buddy has resigned and तुम्हें देख के दुख हो रहा है, बोल के जा रहा है बेटा 30% हाइक में जा रहा हूँ, ये ले ऑफर लेटर. देख लेना, कॉल करते रहिए. Maitri was closest to this answer, so Maitri gets the point. Okay? Got it? Maitri got the point. Great. I think now the last question, considering the best interest of time for all of us. What's the last question? ठीक है. कुछ होता है सबने देखा है शाहरुख खान मूवी, राइट? पूरे कुछ होता है में सारे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स जो भी लीड आर्टिस्ट थे सबका फिल्मी नाम बताओ. शाहरुख
राहुल
अंजलि
राहुल खन्ना अंजलि मल्होत्रा, राहुल खन्ना, टीना.
Wrong. DGP wrong. Disqualified. You have to give the best answer. Sahil is absolutely busy looking for टीना का लास्ट नेम क्या है, अंजलि का पापा का नाम क्या है और साहिल का जो ये बैकग्राउंड है जो अपने आप को कभी-कभी इनविजिबल कर देता है, पता ही नहीं चल रहा है साहिल कर क्या रहा है. Come on guys, most famous movie.
राहुल खन्ना, अंजलि शर्मा.
And
टीना मल्होत्रा,
अंजलि शर्मा and Rahul Khanna.
And the main.
And Mrs. Sharma also.
Aman Mehra. Salman Khan's name is Aman Mehra.
Aman Mehra. DGP will share the prize. I googled you the answers.
Tushar guess the answer.
Hiral Doshi को भी देना चाहिए.
And there was
chat देखो, chat में सब लिखा है.
There was Mrs. Braganza and
Mrs. Braganza.
Mrs. Braganza.
And Salman Khan was Aman Mehra, if I'm not
Rifat was
Hurry, poo.
Rifat B.
Johnny Liver was Almeida.
Almeida.
खुला हुआ है तो एक-एक करके पढ़ते जाओ तुम DGP. Okay, so I think we've already shot by 5 more minutes. I really wish we had some more time, but thank you very much, guys. It's a pleasure to host you. I hope you guys enjoyed whatever little way I could. Thank you for the lovely answers. I know probably you get your best of your prize and may the best win. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Samrat sir.
Thank you.